In this video, you'll learn how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully integrated your Calendly account with Google Calendar, allowing for seamless scheduling and automatic meeting link generation. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Calendly website. Once there, log into your Calendly account using your credentials. After signing in, direct your attention to the left menu panel. Locate and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps to access the integration settings. Next, within the integration section, look for the Google Calendar option. This may require scrolling down the list of available integrations. Once you find Google Calendar, click the Connect button associated with it. This action will prompt you to sign into your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials, and once logged in, you will be asked to allow permissions for Calendly to access your calendar. After granting permissions, Calendly will now be able to check your availability, add meetings automatically, and block busy times on your Google Calendar. This integration ensures that your scheduling remains efficient and organized. Following the connection, you will need to configure your calendar settings. Look for the option labeled Check for Conflicts in. Here, select your Google Calendar, which is typically your primary calendar. This setting helps prevent double bookings by allowing Calendly to see when you are already busy. Next, you will need to select where new meetings will be saved. You can choose from options such as your primary calendar or a work calendar. After making your selection, click the Update button to save these settings. This step ensures that all new appointments are automatically added to your chosen calendar. If you wish to enable video conferencing for your meetings, you can do so as an optional step. Inside your event type, navigate to the scheduling section. Click on the meeting you want to modify, then open the location settings. Here, select Google Meet as your video conferencing option. Don't forget, save your changes. This configuration will ensure that every booking automatically creates a Google Meet link. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, it is a good practice to test your setup, copy your Calendly link, and open it in a different browser or in incognito mode. Go ahead and book a test meeting through this link. Once the meeting is booked, check your Google Calendar. You should see an event created with the meeting link added and the time blocked off according to your availability. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.